Keith, Bliss, there's a lot of buying. I've said that there are 4 groups in the S&P that are at least up 2% right now. It's broad-based. The small caps are catching a huge bid. How are you explaining the strength and where the buying is coming from, and are you in it?
Answering in the opposite direction, yes, we are in it, and I'll take you all the way back to late August, early September to kind of describe and explain what's going on here. I mean, if you look at the way we just massively got oversold at the beginning of September, sold off with a viciousness that we have seen in the last 5 years, but it was really extraordinary at the beginning of September, and we've been slowly working our way back. The news continues to improve on the economy, although it's in fits and starts with some data points. I will certainly concede that point. But as we're moving through and we get out of a very chaotic month of September and come into this, I still think the market, and I've always said this, you know this, I still think the market is set up to trade higher, especially when you've got the backstop of the Fed, who's willing to keep firing all their cannons, even though their balance sheet has extended out to $6 trillion at this point in time. They're not going to back down, and they're not going to stay off the gas pedal if they need to be there. And then when you layer on the rumor, at least at this point, but the possibility that we will get some sort of stimulus out of Congress before the election, that adds up to people need to be putting their money, all that liquidity, back into risk markets, particularly U.S. equities.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.